show exclusively about the Mount Scopus musical. Now let's welcome this week's contestants before we run out of time. From the 2025 musical, he's wacky, he's unpredictable, he may or may not be responsible for the death of several children. It's Willy Wonka!
Thank you, it's true. My factory is a delectable death trap.
He's the pickpocket you know and love. He doesn't drive a car, but if he did, it'd be a Dodge-em car. It's the Artful Dodger.
Hello, Governor.
Please welcome a man who needs no introduction, because he's not a man. He's made of tin. Please welcome the Tin Man.
Stop it. You're gonna make me cry. But don't worry, I won't rust. I oiled myself up earlier.
She's French, but has an American accent, is dating an animal, but isn't ashamed of it. It's Belle!
Actually, he turned into a prince at the end. I know, I was pretty disappointed as well.
Dogs may be a man's best friend, but an ogre's best friend is definitely a talking donkey. From the 2021 musical Shrek, please welcome Dunk!
Thank you! Donkey's my name. Fun fact, my father was also a donkey. In fact, I come from a long line of donkeys, except for my uncle. He was more of a...
And from the 2020 musical, please welcome a positive COVID test. How did that get in here? This room has a lot of weird stuff. Anyway, without further ado, let's start round one. Mount Scopus has staged the beloved musical Salad Days not once, but twice, in 1980 and 1965. You all know Salad Days, right? Name a song from that beloved classical musical that you all know and love, Salad Days. Yes, Donkey?
I don't know anything about salad, but Shrek talks way too much about onions. Are there onions in this salad?
Remember, we're not naming vegetables, it's Guess the Song.
Pumpkin!
I said we're not naming vegetables.
No, it was a pumpkin right there behind you.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of weird stuff in here.
I didn't really eat salad. I mainly eat the gray stuff. What? It's delicious.
Yes. Dodger.
I don't know much about Salad Days, but I do know a market where we can steal some apples.
Why are you so out of breath?
Apparently, there is a song called Out of Breath in Salad Days. Huh, who knew? Well, that brings us to round two. All right, contestants, you have to fill in the lyric. Here's your lyric. Somewhere over...
Hardware store. I really need a new oil can.
Fence! That's where all the good wallets are.
Rainbow! And on the other side, waffles.
Wow. Wow. That was abysmal. Okay, at the end of round two, the score is 1 for Tin Man and 1 for Donkey. But don't despair. We still have one round to go. Name next year's musical. This round is worth 300 points, but you have to get it before the time is up. Start the clock!
It's cats!
I would also like to guess cats.
What about another French show with American accent? Is it Les Miserables? Oh, I know! It's that one with the people and they go somewhere.
Oh, I know this one. Is it the Greg Hannon masterpiece? A Rush to Democracy?
Still 5 seconds left on the clock.
Jesus Christ!
And that's time!
Wait, now we don't know what next year's musical is! What just happened to her?
What is this game?
I guess this is karma.
This is more violence than when Bill bludgeoned Nancy to death.
Well, I guess that's how all these random things got here. Thank you for joining us on Scope You Think You Can Guess. We'll see you next week when we ask Alphaba, Glinda, and Sebastian if they...